Business owners like you just piss me off. AI, AI, AI. Everyone's going ahead in the AI race when you look at your LinkedIn profile, but you still don't know how to use AI. You got to buy some course from a human being who made it using AI to learn AI. Especially if you're a wealth manager, try to solve the real problems of your business first. Like, is your HNI client actually happy with your service, or does he feel like he's going to get ripped off? Once you have something like that set in, which can only be done by a human, then you can talk about what are the jobs that your company needs to do that is boring, that humans can do. Maybe they can take some money, some salary for it. But how can AI solve you from spending that salary on that data entry job? For example, in my own business, we need to run retargeting campaigns, retargeting for people who have seen our ads or our messages or our emails. And I faced a problem where I have lots of emails on an Excel sheet. I don't know how to organize them and create a CSV file that I can use so that I can upload it to Facebook and start retargeting my ideal audience. So if you have a problem like this video today will help you solve it using AI in a simple way. You don't need any special tools. I'm using perplexity.ai, which at backend may use Claude, it may use ChatGPT. I don't know, but it will help me solve the problem. Ready? So let me show you how you can manage your data using AI in minutes. Now, I presume many of you know about Facebook marketing, but if you do not, there is one feature about Facebook marketing, which is retargeting, letting people who have seen your videos, your ads, your emails be shown more ads or videos that tell them to do the necessary steps, book a call, whatever you need to get to your ideal client. Now, I'm going to share my screen over here. Well, this is what my Facebook ads manager looks like. And what I want to do is I want to go to audiences and I want to create a retargeting audience right here. Now, obviously, I want to create an audience from a set of lists that I already have. So how do I do that? I go to create audience right here. I click on custom audience and I select customer list. This is where I'm going to be uploading data of all the emails I have. The problem is that the emails that I have, they're all messed up. As you can see over here, we have identifiers like email, phone number, whatever. So let me download this file template and there it is. Let's have it saved over there. This is what the template looks like. So you will have email, email, email 1, email 2, email 3. If the same person has 3 different emails, 3 different phone numbers, MAD ID, I don't know what that is. So we don't need to worry about it. FN is first name, LN is last name. FN should be good for most of us. Zip, do not really need that. City, don't really need that. State, don't really need that. Country, yes, we need that. So I have a lot of data from my own country, which is India. So that's what's going to go here. Date of birth, age, UID, value. How much have they spent over the lifetime of their relationship with our business? So this is the format that needs to be filled in so that I can upload data to my Facebook marketing. Now, how I would do this is for me to, this is a database of a lot of clients that I have. If I look here, school subs, this is data of, students who have been with us, students who have left. These are data of meetings that I've had. You can see their names over here. And then there's the format of the phone number with the country code right in the beginning, which is again very difficult to format because some people use hyphen, some people put space, and it just messes things up. Then you have the name, right? And you can see I have many different kinds of data points over here. Now the point is, how do I go and collate all of this? Well, one thing is that I'll do is I will download this entire Excel file onto my computer. And that's your one-way framework log. It's downloaded. Now, using AI, what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize this mess and have a great template that I can use to upload onto Meta. Before I even use AI, look at this. This is just a search, AI searching by Perplexity. Like I said, it uses Claude or ChatGPT at the background. I'm going to ask it, can you help me organize all the data in my Excel sheet full of emails and associated names and phone numbers in +91 as country code followed by 10-digit number, and help me use the CSV file given a template and export all the data in a clean, organized way as a CSV file. Let's see what it says. To assist in organizing the data in Excel sheet with emails, phone numbers, explain as a clean CSV, the Excel, I will need the following. It needs the Excel file containing your raw data, emails, phone numbers, and a CSV file template, description of the template format you want used for the output CSV. So let's attach those files. The first file I will attach is where do I have my files? Right here. And I'll go to our 1-year framework log. So this is the Excel file. This is the Excel file. First, find all the emails, organize them based on the date that they appear, and then remove duplicates and format all Indian phone numbers like this, which is apostrophe plus 91 XXXXX, that is 5X XXXXX, like this. Phone numbers like this. Once done, then I will share the CSV for export. Let's see if it does that. Nice, it's using Python programming by itself. Pretty cool. The email and the share data from school sheets have been extracted, organized. Duplicate. Okay, it made a mistake. It took only from one sheet. I just want to ensure something because I feel when it said this, school subs, that's just one of the sheets in the Excel file that we downloaded. So let's see that. So this is the, all right. So this is my Excel file. I don't just want the school subs. I want all the emails on every sheet that we have, right? So let me just ask it. Are you taking data from only one sheet of the attached Excel file? Let me ask it. What does it say? So for the, if you want cross motion, please specify. Yes, all the data on all the sheets. Yeah, sometimes we make mistake, but that's it. You just have to ask it and fix whatever it doesn't do because that's the power of the human being. It's doing his little Python programming here. All right. Is it done? Great. Emails are unique. Data is stored by earliest. Phone numbers have been key and formatted to +91 pattern. However, some phone numbers still showing in a scientific notation due to large number formatting. Next step would be to fix this one definitely for perfect clearing, then exploring. Okay. Let's fix those numbers by adding an apostrophe before the +91. Simple stuff. The phone number formatting is done. All we need to do is let's open our CSV file. And what we want is we want it to add the email, the first email, because we have only one email, I believe, of each person. The phone number with obviously the country code, the first name, the country. That's what we need. So let's add those details in our prompt. Let me upload the sample CSV file, the format of which we need to use as long as the headers we need to use in terms of the headers given. The only headers that we need to fill up is email to, if any person has been found to have 2 emails. Email 3, if any person has been found to have 3 emails. And then we need phone, right, with country code. Then we need to fill in FN, which in our case should be full name and not just first name, which is what FN means. We don't need a little bit last name. Let's have a country, which will be IN, India. IN, and anything else? I think we are good. What is UID? I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. That's weird. So that's it. Now let us upload the data of the CSV format. output CSV, email to phone, FN, country. I will prepare data from your clean data set to match this format. Yes, let's go ahead. Yes, let's go ahead and don't use any of the data given in the sample CSV, please. Only add all the list from the Excel that I gave previously. Essentially, I'm asking it not to use any of the garbage data that's here and just to upload all the clean data that they have generated. So let's go. All right, Python programming started. I shall soon have my CSV file. All right, I think it's ready. It's called Burn Tune Clean Contact CSV. Now, the question is, where is it? This is the one. If I go to assets and let me just open that. There you go. All the files are here. Can you see all the gibberish emails some people have put in? But if I go to the right, yes, I can see that the phone number formatting is in place. This is Aditya Garg. And for some reason, his email is not matching. Let's see, Amit Sharma, Arvind Shekhar, Arvind. Yes, it's matching. Arvind Shekhar right here. Then Aditya Joshi, let's see. Aditya Joshi. Yes, it's matching. All right. Now, all I need to do is just download the CSV file. Burn Tune Clean Contacts CSV save. And if I just open that file, that is my clean CSV. A lot of rubbish names are here, but most of them are formatted as needed. Let me see how many entries we have. We have about 2,272 if you can see on the bottom right. Ravi Gupta, Praveen Ricky, Praveen Prashant, Prajab Amore. Yes. So that's how we do this. So as a business owner, as a wealth manager, as whatever you are, the idea is that the AI is not something that is leaving you behind. AI is progressing really fast and it's here to make your job much easier. All you need to do is talk to AI, maybe experiment with it a little bit. But the main goal of a business owner is that, is your ideal client the one that you chose to serve? Are you serving him at the best level that you can? Because if that is not in place, none of this AI will help you. AI here is only to enhance an already optimized business. And I hope you can find all the optimization you need by either following the content that I provide to you or using AI as your friendly partner in ideation, execution, and generating results.